In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Roblox theme from light mode to dark mode. If you want to change your Roblox account to dark mode, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to do this, go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then tap on more. From more, scroll down until you see settings option, and under settings, head to device preferences, and this is the last option. If you tap on this, it will take you to these settings, and down below here you can see device level theme. Currently it is set to light. To change this to dark mode, go ahead and tap on it and choose dark here, and immediately your device or your account theme will be switched to dark mode. So that's how you can switch to dark mode in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.